Hi, I'm Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert. Quilters, today we're talking triangles, setting triangles to be exact. As you know, quilt blocks can be set in a straight setting with the blocks in horizontal or vertical rows, which is common placement. But if you want to completely change the look of your quilt, blocks can be set on point with the blocks turned at a 45-degree diagonal. Setting triangles are new to AccuQuilt, so let me show you how they work. Here's a churn dash block. Quilters, I could create rows with this block in either a horizontal row or even a vertical row. But check out what a different look I create when I turn this block on point. Ta-da! Now in on-point quilts, setting triangles are used and located on the outside edges and corners of the quilt. When quilt blocks are set on point, it often means that the straight of grain is now on the diagonal. To stabilize the outer edges of the quilt, it's critical for setting triangles to be cut on the lengthwise grain so the straight of grain is on what would be the two outside edge triangles. Let me show you how easy it is to cut setting triangles. The Studio Setting Triangles die has both the setting triangle and the corner triangle. I've pre-cut my fabric on the lengthwise grain. Just going to put my fabric over the shape. Get my cutting plastic, and now we're ready to go. All right. We'll give that mat a little love, get rid of that static slide, don't lift. And ta-da, we have cut perfect setting triangles. See how these setting triangles align to our finished block. So first I'm going to put my setting triangle and my corner triangle. Ta-da! The math to cut setting triangles correctly can be really confusing, which means creating on-point quilts is somewhat intimidating for quilters at any skill level. This is why I'm pleased to announce that AccuQuilt has expanded our dies to include the Studio Setting Triangles in 5 sizes: the 6-inch, 8-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch finished. Studio Setting Triangle dies are specially designed to accurately cut multiple setting triangles, both the side and the corner, on the lengthwise grain in one pass through the cutter. No math required. Now quilters, do those sizes sound familiar? That's right, they line up perfectly with our Go Cube mix and match blocks that can be used with your studio cutter so long as you use the appropriate adapter. Studio Setting Triangle dies include the corner and side setting triangles, so there's no need to buy 2 dies. With your Studio Setting Triangle die, you can cut up to, wait for it, 10 layers of quilting cotton in one pass through the cutter. Plus, the dies are fat quarter friendly and a great way to bust up your stash. Quilters, we recommend the super long cut cutting plastic. One of the great features of these dies is that it has specialized dog ears. They also have that perfect 1/4-inch seam allowance for easy alignment and piecing. Quilters, when you get to your die, make sure you check out this handy dandy reference sheet that provides information and diagrams. We'd love to see your finished on-point quilts. I'm sure they're going to be amazing. Share them with us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. When you do, make sure you use the hashtag AccuQuilt. I'm Pam Heller, reminding you that AccuQuilt helps you cut time so that you can quilt more.